Good morning, everybody. Look at that sun popping and shining, getting my melanin all up in my skin. We are on day number 3 here with Club Adventures. And Donna's up here, being Donna. And Tim, our guide, is about to get us a boat. So the next 2 days, we are going to spend most of our time here on the Mekong Delta. We just left Ho Chi Minh City. It was about a 3-hour drive down here. And we're right here on the water. We're going to be staying at this cute little homestay thing. But for now, we're about to go see how people out here living on the water. Here, it's looking a little rough. Fun fact, the reason that the Mekong is brown, not because it's dirty, it's because of where it comes from. It comes all the way down from Tibet, through the mountains and the hills, and brings a lot of rock and sediment with it. So that's why the Mekong is brown. This is proper dock. We're gonna get on this. Got our own boat here. Whoop. Grabbing some pictures. Ah, yeah, there we go. What's up?
All right.
All right, Donna. You excited, Donna?
Hello.
Yeah, I'm excited.
First thing you'll notice the difference between these this floating market and floating markets you see in Thailand is that these boats are way bigger and people actually live on these boats. In Thailand, usually people come in on their boats, but people actually either live here on these boats here and work here. This is also the shop. And they go back to, I'm trying to show y'all around me. Here. These places are where they live. No, authentic is one of my favorite words to use, but I can't think of a better one. When you compare this to other floating markets I've been to, it's just, this is far less for tourists and more for locals and how people actually live on these boats and do commerce.
On the boats?
See right here, they live down here and up here. That's where you have the laundry out. And these are the smaller boats they take in to go home. And most of these boats stay here. They stay where they are. The main boats, they actually stay anchored here. So now we're switching boats to small boat. Hello. And hey, you made it. You're okay.
We're going in the middle of the boat.
Yeah.
One more back.
All right.
That's it.
So you all right, Don?
Do we sit down or what do we do?
Yeah, sit down.
Can you move back and one more?
One more back. Yeah.
That's it.
There you go, and I'll grab the middle in front of you. Ooh, ooh, this is a little rickety. Guys, I vowed I wasn't gonna wear this hat, but damn, he convinced me to put it on. Yeah, all right, everything's blown out. Do you actually wear this hat?
Me?
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Really? It actually blocks a lot of sun too.
Conical hat like this is normally for women. When they come out to work in the rice field, in the garden, or in the farmland. Or some of them use this to carry things.
Yeah, I've seen it. Flip it.
To the rice field, or they go into the market and carry something in their conical hats. And on a hot day, whenever they have a rest, they can take it off, make a fan like this. Oh my god!
Multi-purpose.
Yeah,
this is
so
nice.
multi-functional hats.
Look at the water.
The brown color.
Yeah, from the sediment, correct?
Yes, from the mud.
From the mud.
Because it's flowing from China, Myanmar.
Yeah, are we going to an island or are we on
We're
an
going
island?
through an island.
So we're on our way to the island.
No, we now, the island splits up into 2 parts.
Oh,
and
so
the canal runs through the island.
Ah,
We
okay.
go on this side to the other side of the island.
Ah, okay. So where we came from, that's the Mekong, and
Yes.
we're going through towards the border of Cambodia and Vietnam.
Not by this canal.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so the river, the main river, back there,
Mhm.
if we turn from here, we turn left.
Mhm.
We can go all the way to Cambodia.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
Okay. And this one takes us to.
Another end of the island, and on the other side there's another main branch of the Mekong River.
Okay. And the Mekong, you said, is split into two here.
In two main rivers in
Yeah.
Vietnam.
The upper river and the lower river.
The lower river, yes. And then it splits up into nice smaller branches.
That goes all the way to the south, very south of Vietnam.
Yes, to the east, and the southeast of Vietnam, which
Perfect.
is the Mighty family.
This is longan fruit,
This is longans,
rambutan,
rambutans,
little bananas.
the bananas, what you call lady fingers sometimes.
Alright.
And these things are lychee family. Peel the skin off, the flesh, and then the seed in the middle.
Okay.
And this one is very popular in South Vietnam, and it grows all year round nowadays. This one once a year, because with the new technology, and when you have a bite, there's a seed inside. A seed inside.
Be careful. The seed, right there. That's the seed in the middle. Right. Yeah. And
Do it first.
Want to feel it, Eric?
yeah, you just crack. You squeeze it. Basically, squeeze it and it cracks right open.
Open up.
Perfect.
There's another seed inside also.
It's a big seed. It's the seed in the middle of that. Also, Donna, do you smell everything you eat?
I do. Nothing's bad. That's my lip.
That sun is blowing us all up. It's sweet, yes, right? Good. The sun is blowing everything out because it's so bright out here. But there you go. Love rambutan. Let's stop here. I'm gonna grab. Hello. Come grab some lunch here. Vietnamese people are so friendly. I'll tell you what. Look at these cool paths. All the way down here on this side. Nice. Oh, look at this beautiful. Hold on, I'm gonna overexpose and let me get a little closer. This is beautiful. Look at this. Look at that. That is beautiful. Is that a fish? Is it called elephant fish?
Elephant ear. It's
Elephant
like an
ear.
Like an ear. Of the
Okay.
elephants.
Alright, so you make it like a spring roll, kind of like a Peking, but not. You put the herbs here. And then you take a piece of fish. Boop, boop. And toss it on there. Roll that joint up. And I like to add fish sauce on the inside of mine. Give it a little pop. I'm gonna eat that though. That's the best meat. Look at that. Get it all up in there. Yeah, needs some of that head meat. This one's for me.
That's fish sauce?
Yeah, it's fish sauce.
It's light.
Donna already smelled it, y'all. She already sniffed it. It smelled like fish. No, it's fish sauce, Donna. I usually, like, when I had this before, I put the fish sauce on the inside, but I'm just going to dip it in. I'm going to do it with Donna. I'm going to wait for Donna to do it. I'm not eating until you.
I gotta wait to see what you're doing there.
You just dip it and eat it. We're going to wait. We're going to wait. I'm not eating it. I'm going to starve to death. Yeah, there it is.
I like this.
Go ahead.
Good.
No. Get up on this. See, my turn. Dip. I'm dipping right now. Dip.
I'm all set. I'll drink my soda. I don't like it.
I think it.
Rolls. And then get a couple prawns came out. It's like why they put all the work in for you? You take all the fun away from me. I like breaking the heads and stuff. Look at all the flavor is. Tasty, they do all the work. And a little salt and lemon. Doop, 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 doop. Proper big prawns. They have, like, I think Southeast Asia has some of the best prawns. So good. Donna, let me eat yours.
I like the prawn.
Even though Donna doesn't like it, I absolutely love this fish. Light and flaky.
I have my share.
Oh, it's perfect. Look at that. It's delicious fish, y'all. There you go. If you like whitefish, this fish is very good. I'm gonna get the name and probably like scroll it, and so you guys can order it when you come. A prawn spaghetti and like a tom yum soup.
What is it?
It's seafood. It's like a spaghetti. Papaya is not spaghetti. It's not noodle or spaghetti. That is a papaya base with some prawns and some shallots on top. No, you're good, Don. You're good. So one thing that you guys, you know that this is an organized tour with Club Adventures. One thing that you guys want to make sure that you do when you book these kind of excursions or events or tours is that you talk to them about your dietary restrictions. And as you know, if you're a pescatarian, you're vegan, you're a vegetarian, whatever. But on top of that, you can also tell them what you don't like to eat. For example, if you don't like to eat fish, you can tell them that you don't like to eat fish, and then they'll like adjust and accommodate you as best they can. But the problem is that there are some places in the world that you don't have an option. For example, if you go to certain parts of India and you don't like vegetarian food, then you're kind of screwed. Coconut candies.
And the first thing you need is the whole old coconut with a very thick skin like this. And normally the fruit is like this, and you just sharp spur over here to remove the first layer.
Okay.
And then inside they have
It's like this, like a spear thing,
like a spur, yes.
and that cracks it open.
Yes.
Okay.
And then you have
Let me just
inside.
get a picture of this.
The darker one, this is big, thicker flesh. That's where you get the flesh from. But these ones out here are the ones for drinking. The gray ones have a thinner flesh. They have more water. The darker ones have a thicker flesh. Not good for water.
And
Flesh,
after-
The
flesh.
first one you do is take.
That's a
very
thicker
thick.
flesh.
And then they put their half of the coconuts on the machine, turn the engine on,
Hmm.
to
And it
get
shreds it.
the shredded over here.
Ah,
It's like a
perfect.
paste.
Yeah, it's
fresh.
it's
You try
shredded,
it?
fresh shredded coconut.
Yes.
You try it?
Yeah.
And you know, the mixture of sugar and malt is going to be like this.
So they put sugar and malt, like we have like malt milkshakes back home, and this is they put it in these bags and they squeeze it, and that's where all the
That's good enough.
milk comes out. And then it comes over and
You're going to cook the
he
mixture
cooks it here.
over here for about 45 minutes.
Hmm.
And at the beginning it's quite runny, but nearly at the end it becomes
It's
sticky
this.
and condensed like this.
Mm.
And by the time they cook in that,
I smelled it.
I know you did. How is it?
so the condensed long strips like this.
Mm-hmm.
And then they're gonna take some of this, put on the chopping board, into the knife,
Mm-hmm.
and they chop the strap into a little candies,
Oh, like they say.
like that ones.
Mhm.
Yes.
Inside is,
Here's the rice paper.
and that's what she's wrapping,
Yes, so you can see it's over here.
and keep it from sticking.
Yes, keep it from
They're
sticking
sticking to
or
the
melting and sticking to
Right,
the paper.
right.
So what you need to do
okay.
is after she wrapping like that,
Mhm.
and the second layer is the real paper.
Ah, makes sense. Like the
Yes.
packaging. Okay.
And then when you open it, you just remove the first outside layer and you can eat the rice paper inside.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So this
What?
paper, for
What
example,
is
this,
that?
look at this.
Oh, look.
Minor bird, isn't it?
Ready? Anh là bò co. Cái chuột anh với chuột nó bằng nhau đó, anh nhớ rồi. Gì? Đằng này còn có 4 chảo rồi sao nào?
Hỏi nhắc hả? Không phải, mấy anh không biết tự nay làm sao hay là bây giờ bắt đầu gì đẹp luôn không biết em nữa để người ta đi mà không biết phim là hét hét cái chân mai được rồi đó.
Anh quay rồi chị dạ. Cái túi ra đẳng rồi. Có liền không?
Guys, what an amazing process from like start to finish. And you guys see I am pouring sweat, and they're kind of laughing at me because I was just pouring sweat. They're in there all day, like not a bead of sweat on them. It was amazing. All right, so this is what I really wanted to try was what we just saw get made. And I know first it was like, oh, those look like Rice Krispie treats, but they don't have marshmallows. So let's see. It tastes like a kind of a toffee Rice Krispie treat, but you can actually taste the smoke from the fire, and you can really taste the corn husk on it. It was really good, like a toffee flavor. He's trying to clear the road right here. Because we're in the back alleys, and these super thin roads. Whew. Is the end now? All right, fine. Yeah. So I'll give you another tour tomorrow when the sun's up. But look, this is lotus. We're standing on top of a lotus field. It used to be a rice field, but now it's all lotus. There, look, Kevin. Oh, let me go back to my room. I had to close the door because these mosquitoes ain't no joke, yo. Oh, come in. This is the room. Got a mosquito net. This is all wood, teak. Close that door. Got a fan, no AC, obviously. And hold on, let's see. Bathroom. Oh, oh, Donna's gonna die when she sees this. Oh, and oh, nice. Drinking water. Nice. It's like camping again. All right, guys. So I am worn out, you guys. So we had a long day, a lot of climbing, a lot of walking and sitting and waiting and riding. So going to get a sleep. We're supposed to go tomorrow, some cycling tour, and then we're going to the national park. So man, I'm worn out. So I'll give you guys a full tour of this place tomorrow. We're gonna grab a quick bite to eat and then get some sleep. So as usual, lead the world better than you found it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.